Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Fitzel here, and I have a body weight workout for you that requires very little equipment. So all you need is your body and maybe a couch or a chair that you're gonna feel comfortable squatting and sitting on. And I'm using a stool here, but if you have a chair that has a back to it, that's also a great choice. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is a beginner's workout. So a lot of this movement is going to just be focusing on mobility, going to be focusing on keeping the core tight and posture. So I have my trusty notebook of workouts, and I'm going to go ahead and have us all stand up. And we're going to stand up, guys. Of course, you can't see my head. I apologize, but I just want you guys to go ahead and give me high knees. So we're just going to stand and bring the knees up. And we're going to go here for 20 seconds. Now, if you have something you can hold on to, a chair, the couch, that's awesome. But if you feel comfortable with the balance and stability portion of lifting one leg, then you're good to go. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we're going to do side kicks. So we're just going to kick the leg out to the side and balance our weight. You can bring them hands right in the front here for 10, 9, 8, 7. And depending on your activity level, this can be a very challenging movement. So just take your time, guys. 3, 2, and 1. Next, the reason we have our chair or our couch, okay, we're going to do some squats to sits. So you're going to pretend that you're sitting down. You're going to tap and squeeze, tap and squeeze, tap, squeeze. Good for 8 more. 7, squeeze, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Stay seated. We're going to do a seated row. Just hold your arms straight out. I'm going to go ahead and give you a side view, and we're just going to squeeze our arms back. Get those elbows back. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze, 7, 8, good, 9, and 10. Nicely done. And our last exercise, we are going to stand up and bring your arms out like this and twist the torso. Twist. Pivot the foot with it. Good. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to high knees. Here we go for 12. Get those knees up. 11, 10. Come on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side kick. Here we go for 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Squat and squeeze. Tap. 1. Tap. Squeeze the butt. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I meant to do 12. Let's stay seated and hit our row. So arms are here for 12, 11, 10. Good. 9. Squeeze those shoulder blades back, guys. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, good, 2, and 1. Torso twist. Here we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, woo. So that was 2 rounds of body weight exercises that you can complete absolutely anywhere. This is a perfect workout for my beginners. Do this anywhere. Commit to doing this at least 3 times and try to do it maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I don't know, but let's create a routine, guys, that works for you and gets you active, because remember, a body in motion stays in motion and a body at rest stays in rest, okay? Don't forget Pitzel loves you, and I'll be sending you guys another video soon.